Alright, it's a little loud, but today we're at the Houston, what is it? Interactive, there it is, Houston Interactive Aquarium and Nature Preserve. Got
a guy back there on me.
I don't know, some kind of weird pirate. But I got my brother-in-law Brent and his family with us. We're going to have some forced family fun. Hooray! I mean, what do you think of the interactive zoo?
I would love to interact with it.
You want to interact with it? What's the holdup?
The people.
Birdie, what's the holdup, man? What are we doing?
Trying to get ready to put the red emos.
There's apparently been some confusion with this line situation. If you want to wait for the red lemurs, you have to go over to the ring-tailed lemurs and tell the lady that you want the red lemurs, and then you get in line at the ring-tailed lemurs, and then they let you go into the red lemurs. So much confusion, and I think we got it figured out now, but everybody's very frustrated that they were waiting for the red lemur, red ruffed lemur, and then had to go to the ring-tailed lemur. Welcome to Giraffic Park. I think the kids are going to feed a giraffe.
That's in there.
Oh, got to get in a little line. Uh-oh. Incoming. Incoming. I wish this lady would get out of the way.
Ethan, do y'all want to feed it? I have our... Well, just make sure you hold it. You're dropping all the food on the ground.
What's up, man? So now we're in the outdoor portion. Just got a notice from Periweather that we're in a red zone, so we can only be here for an hour, and then we got to take a 20-minute break. You know, because heat safety is very important for those who participate. You know, outside. You guys want to go? Some kind of animal. You want to go see it? What's the matter with this kid?
Ethan, you want to go inside? Over here, buddy.
All right, a successful trip. We're on our way home. Did everybody have a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? The aquarium. Feeding the stingrays. Is that it? Yeah? Yeah, I can't really think of too much. Wow, well, we got to play with lemurs too. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? I would think that'd probably be the best part. You don't get to do that very many places. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Nelson family, out.
Bye. Peace.
Oh, Lindsay's like smiling, but she's not in the picture. Okay, bye.